Please, warm-up number 40 is on the screen. Once again, what are the measures of central tendency, and compute the measure of central tendency, and then sketch a box plot right after for 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 6, and 7. Give you guys about 6 minutes. Copy and go. All right, stick with the neighbor, see what you got, and then let's get the show on the road. By now we are experts at this, right, Sam? Yes. All right, here we go. What are the measures? Mean, mode, and median. So mean, and remind your neighbor what two symbols we use for mean. Let's see, what two symbols do we use for the mean? Let's go with Thomas. No, what two symbols do we use for the mean? X with a line on top, and the Greek mu. Yes, that is correct. Pass it to someone for the mean, please. .8. Hands if you got 3.8. Looks about right. Let's see, 10, 20, 7, 7, 3, yes. Median, pass someone. Mila, 4. Hands if you got 4 for the median. Looks about right. How about the mode? Pass someone. 1 is correct. So we need a minimum, which is 1, a maximum, which is 7. So now we just need Q1, Q2, Q3. Q2, we know it's the median, so that's 4. So you know what you got for Q1 and Q3, and then we're going to pass someone. All right, good conversation. Pass someone. Enrique. Q1 and Q3. One. Hands if you got 1. That is correct. So I'm going to erase the minimum over here and bring it together with Q1. How about Q3, Enrique? Yes. And your box plot should look something like that. All right, copy the agenda. Warm-up number 40 done. We're in the middle of measure central tendency. Today we're going to focus on independent practice. It's due at the end of the period, so some of you need to be locked in. And for the afternoon, I'm going to give you the afternoon off. How about them apples? Yes? All right. So, once you're done copying that, all right, give me a second. All right, copy the code to access the independent practice in a little bit. M35FC. M35FC. All right? So, here goes some, let's take care of some nuts and bolts before we get started. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. All right, do me a favor. Go to Canvas. Go to our class, grades. Once again, go to Canvas. Go to our class, grades. Take a screenshot. Bring that back tomorrow. That's the only thing that you need to do tonight. Counting as a pop party. How about them apples? All right. Once again, this session is being recorded just in case some of you missed it. So here we go. Last week we had these two problems in class, and I said if you pick one, you finish it. You don't have to do the second one, but if you don't, you need to turn in both. So at this time, go to Canvas, turn that in. It should read mean of group data, one problem. Mean of group data, one problem. However, if you didn't finish in class, you need to turn in two problems. Yes. I don't remember. Oh, okay, fine. I'd rather you guys save it for something big. Yeah. Oh, you're reminding me. Okay, I get it. Thank you, Thomas. Once again, it's titled Mean of Group Data, one problem. Here we go. I can summarize data and compute measure central tendency. So, remind your neighbor, what are the three measures that we're going to cover in this course? What is the first one, second, and third, if you remember? Measures of what? Give us one, Isaiah. Very good. He said measures of central tendency. Very good. That's one. What's another, Lucas? Yeah, what measures are we covering in this course? Isaiah said measures of central tendency. That's one set. Yeah, you don't have the notes on this one. That was like just for you guys to be paying attention in class. Let's pass it to Aaron. What do you think, Aaron? What's another one? He said measures of variation, and the last one, Enrique? My goodness. Measures of position. So here are the three different kinds of measures we're covering. Have we finished, and have we been covering central tendency? Yes. We're headed towards variation and position. Once again, keep that in mind. You don't have to copy that. Measure central tendency, we said that they are what? Mean, median, and mode. We know what they are. Last week, I gave you guys formulas. Is that correct? Remind your neighbor what the formula down here on the left is for and the one on the bottom right. What are they for? Let's see. Let's go back over here to, let's go with Jordan. What's this left one for? Mean for what? With a small n. Yeah, that is correct. Sample. How about this one with a big N, Levi? Population. That is correct. All right, so then we know how to find the mean, median, mode, and range. We did this one last week. Did we write our distribution? Yes. But what was key? So at the end we can find the mean. We needed the frequency and the midpoint, and then from there the last column, frequency times midpoint. Let me remind you guys again. What did we need in order to find the mean? We needed the frequency and what else? Midpoint. Then the last column, frequency times midpoint, and you use those numbers to find the mean of the group data. And how do you find the mean? Add them all and divide by the number of numbers you add them all. And there it was. So today, you only have 4 problems to do, only. There they are. You may work with a neighbor, so like that you can divvy up the work. This is due at the end of the period. I'm going to open up that assignment on Canvas. So divvy up. Get to work. Those of you following on YouTube, make sure you put some work in. See you guys next time. Peace.